What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about how to, get more airdrops. A lot of people have been asking me this, and, it's really simple and easy to do. Stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to explain it all to you guys now. First off, if you guys are new to the channel, I'd appreciate three things: a like, subscribe, bell button. Leave a comment in that description below saying you subscribe, and tell me what you guys had for dinner. I mean, dude, why not? Now let's go ahead and get into this video and talk about it. So first off, I'm going to go over a couple of airdrops that happened. The first one was, not the first, but there's several different ones. An example of one was Gitcoin. Some got between $200-$300 to several $1,000s. Another one was Badger DAO. Badger DAO is pretty lucrative. This one was about $2 to $4, possibly even $6,000. Uniswap was very valuable. That one came up to about 16 G's at one point in time. Another one was 1inch. 1inch, dude, that was a lucrative one as well. That one came out to about 5 G's. You had Osmosis. Some people literally got like 20 grand on the Osmosis airdrop, depending on how much you got. But those are just a couple of airdrops. I mean, I'm just showing you guys a few. Like, you can make a lot of money with airdrops. I mean, I just named a couple. The next one's DYDX. That's just another one. Also, of course, you had ones like Mirror Protocol, Anchor Protocol. All of them are pretty lucrative. And I know you're asking yourself the same question: how the pants do I get in these airdrops? Well, that's okay. I'm going to explain it to you guys now and show you guys how to do this. This is pretty easy and simple to do. So the biggest thing to look for when you're looking to get into airdrops are up and coming ecosystems and chains. Let me give you a couple of examples. Let's just tell you about Terra Luna. Terra Luna, they have tons and tons of airdrops. Why do they do that? Well, it's because they want more people coming onto the chain. People like free money. When people hear free money, they tell their friends come on, more people come on, they tell their friends, and so on. That's what airdrops are meant to do, and that's specifically what they do. So if you want to get more airdrops, you have to figure out the game theory on the airdrop. What is the point of the airdrop? Well, bring more people to it. Well, if a chain already has a bunch of people on it, why would they do airdrops? There's no reason to. Hence why Matic, Polygon, they did a ton of liquidity mining. Basically, they paid you to use the protocol. This is so they can get more and more people coming onto it. So now that you understand that game theory, now put that into practice. What are some up and coming chains that haven't really grown to its full extent? Well, first you got Polkadot. Polkadot's still starting to launch, so maybe speculating a little bit in that. And how do you speculate? Well, you play around in the chains, do some swaps, do DeFi on them, play around with it, play around the protocols. Just like Ethereum when it launched Uniswap, when it did Gitcoin, when it did 1inch. Well, it was playing around with the DeFi protocols. So you need to play around on the rides that are on the different chains. Here's another example. How would have you liked to get some free Illuvium tokens? Yeah, you know that gaming coin that is like going gangbusters? Yeah, you would have got some free for just staking SNX on layer 2 on Optimism. Who would have known? Next is on Terra Luna. If you were staking some Luna coins, any of the tokens that launch over there, you're going to be getting in any of the airdrops. Let me show you their TerraDrop website. These are just a few. So these are just guaranteed free money, free airdrops. They literally tell you about them. These are just a few of them right here. These are just 12 of them. They have several more. They've already said and confirmed that there's going to be 100 different airdrops, over 100 different airdrops. And I'm bullish on Terra Luna, so I love the ecosystem. Another ecosystem is Cosmos. Did you guys miss out on the Osmosis airdrop? Did I mention that airdrop was worth to some people over $20,000? Yeah, you heard me. $20,000. And sure, you could have sold the airdrop, made the 20 G's, or you could have provided liquidity, staking, and earning some crazy APRs. Literally, there's some people still earning like 300-400% APR on their Osmo token. It's crazy. How the pants does that happen? There's another airdrop coming up for Cosmos stakers. It's called the Junio airdrop. It's going to be similar to, in my opinion, like the Osmosis one. Guys, they're distributing coins is because Cosmos is starting to launch more and more stuff. They got the IBC bridge coming out. Well, actually, it's already out, but they need a better UI so people can understand it and have a better ease of use. So how are they going to bring more people over once it launches? Just because you build a great ride doesn't mean people come over. Well, they incentivize people with airdrops. Hey, come stake your Cosmos token, support our chain, and we'll just airdrop you money. Hey, you can even just provide it in DeFi. We'll airdrop you money. They tell you what to do. So like, for example, Persistence One, XPRT, it's another DeFi protocol. Playing around with their DeFi protocol and staking Cosmos with them, or using their quote unquote unlocked staked Cosmos, you will actually get an airdrop of another token that they're going to be launching. Get an airdrop of the XPRT token. It's not confirmed, but they're hinting at it. Or, for example, Pool Together. Pool Together was on Ethereum. Ethereum, if you just use the DeFi protocol, you would have got airdropped some Pool Together tokens. That's the biggest thing you need to do. Play around with DeFi protocols, especially on chains that have not taken off yet, and use them. Don't be afraid to spend a little gas fee here and there. Play around with the DeFi protocol, deposit here and there. And another thing is, guys, holding Uni tokens or 1inch tokens are going to throw you in a ton of airdrops. Uni is one of the DeFi primitives on the Ethereum network. And a lot of airdrops are literally just saying, hey, if you hold Uni tokens, well, you're going to get airdropped some funds. It's because that's how they select it. And they're looking as Uni. Yes, I understand it's a governance token, but a lot of people use that for getting an airdrop. For example, 1inch. 1inch gave an airdrop to Uni holders. Same thing with BadgerDAO. BadgerDAO gave to Uni holders. They gave an airdrop to them. There are several different airdrops that happen just because you're holding governance tokens or DeFi coins. It's crazy, but just keep that in mind. And another one was Shapeshift. Shapeshift, Fox token. I didn't even mention that one. Some people literally got like 15 grand on that one. It's crazy. But guys, this is how you get into several of the different airdrops. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I didn't want to keep it too long, but understand the game theory of how the airdrops work, and then you can play around in the DeFi protocols. You can also subscribe to different airdrop websites. A good example of one is airdrops.io. You can subscribe to this on Telegram, and they'll literally say, hey, we got an airdrop coming today. Hey, we got one if you do this, this, and this. Some of them are junk, some of them are good, but it's just one of those things. That's how you can understand with it. Play around with DeFi, stay safe, and have fun. As always, we'll close you guys out with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 18, verses 11. The wealth of the rich is their fortified city. They imagine it as a wall too high to scale. Amen to that, man. It seems like those rich people always have money. Guess that's how it rolls. Dogs, gotta say thanks to the patrons. Sean Bott, Da Man, Tariq Liu, TL King, JP, PJ, Bernito, Taco Nacho. Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bomb. Alright, so next off, guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. Alright, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is Crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it, so I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.